Hey guys, it's Gypsy. Today I have my two favorite keyboards here, Mode Sonnet and also the Smith and Rune Iron165. And let's try to do it together. In the beginning, I thought an Alice layout style typing angle would be better in terms of having them both kind of slanted. That didn't really bode too well, so my next bet was to put them side by side and just kind of act and mimic as if it's just one board.
Take two.
This test I got a little bit more than 50 words per minute. I was happy with that, so let's try it one last time to see if we can get above that.
Take three.
Thank you guys so much for watching. This is a pretty funny experiment that I did, but how did I do? Let me know in the comments down below. Please like and share and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.